Hey Katy, Billy Parsons here from Jim Glover Dodge. How you doing? I'm gonna turn this around real quick. I want to show you this Wrangler. It is nice. This is a Freedom Edition. Gives you different wheels, kind of like the Rubicon wheels, similar. This is a Freedom Edition Wrangler, and it has leather seats with cloth inserts. So it does have some leather. Special badging and everything. It's got the American flag, the Oscar Mike decal on the hood. This is a special edition Wrangler, but it meets most of your criteria. I wanted to shoot a quick video so you know what we're talking about. Got the hard top, the fenders. This one doesn't have nav. It's got the nice all-weather floor mats. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, but no integrated nav. Power windows, power locks. It's a nice one. This one's really nice. It'd have all the features you'd want. Let me know if you have questions, Katy. It's Billy approved.